document storage and organization tips. Most people struggle with digital clutter. Create tutorials on how to effectively manage files, use cloud storage, and automate folder structures. This is a massive pain point for professionals. It's not exciting, but it's high value, searchable, and solves a real problem. High utility means high retention and a loyal audience. Software tutorials for legacy tools. Everyone chases the newest AI, but companies run on Excel, Word, and specialized CRM software. Focus on specific boring shortcuts or hidden features. Beginners and busy professionals constantly search for how-to solutions. This content has a long shelf life and attracts a high CPM audience looking for immediate answers. Niche industry regulatory updates. Summarize boring policy changes for specific sectors like logistics, accounting, or medical billing. When laws change, professionals need the bottom line fast. If you can distill complex, dry regulatory text into a 1-minute summary, you become an essential resource. The barrier to entry is high, so competition remains very low. Personal finance and budget templates. People love seeing simple, functional spreadsheets that track their net worth or daily expenses. Don't teach complex stock trading, teach the mechanics of a budget. Use a clean interface to show a template that works. This is evergreen content that people search for constantly when they decide to get their finances in order. Home maintenance and appliance care. Most people don't know how to clean their dryer vent, maintain a dishwasher, or troubleshoot a simple leak. These boring DIY tasks have massive search volume. Create quick, visual-heavy guides that solve these household headaches. This builds immense trust and offers high-value affiliate marketing opportunities for tools.